let's move on to our tip of the week for AI Edge. So the whole purpose of AI Edge is helping keep you informed and helping you figure out how you can gain an edge with AI, gain an advantage. So Evan, tell us about our tip of the week here that you came up with.
Yep. So easy one that everybody can implement, writing an email. So if you write a lot of emails all day, sales, recruiting, you can use OpenAI and ChatGPT to write it for you. And so you can give it a prompt. Recently, I wrote an email where I said, this is my 4th time reaching out. Here's the kind of product I sell. Here's who I'm reaching out to. I want it to be short. Write the email. And it does it. So you can give it a prompt with as much detail as possible. If you're not the best at writing emails or you just want a really well-written email that might convert better than you might be able to create an email that has a conversion rate, then try it out.
Yeah, especially for cold emails. I feel like that is as long as you can kind of supplement in your own personalizations, which I feel like ChatGPT does a great job. It's all about the prompt, as we kind of mentioned in our first tip of how to use ChatGPT. Enter in a ton of information, give it as much context as you can, and you're going to be able to get a pretty relevant